Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a stunning website using an AI. So this is the website 10web.io, and also after creating you can change your non-WordPress site to WordPress. So let us create one website. So you come here. This is after signing up, so you will land to this page. So let us proceed. Now here you have to select what kind of website you are creating, whether it is informational website or is a store, online store. So let's go to informational website and then select next. Then here select then type of business. So let's create like let's say like construction, like that. Then say like it's a construction company excuse, like that. Then go next. Then here you can write your name of your company or your website. So let's say like Flavian Hub Construction. Then you can come here and describe your website, what you deal with, or anything you deal with. You can describe it there. So let's describe like construction of dams, roads, water drainage, machine hiring, let's say like that. Then hiring. Then if you have a domain, you can say yes. If you don't, just say no, and then come here and say next. Now here it is trying to build up your home page. So your home page icons, so you can select the icon you need. As you can see, here we have header, we have hero, services, projects you have done, about your website or about your company, testimonial, blogs, other your frequent asked question, and footer. So here you can select which one you need, and it's telling you if you want to add any icon here, you can, how you will do it. So let's select like this one. Will you use like this one? Then come here on your corner and say next. Then here you will select your colors of your website. So let us, and it will show you on your left here how the website will look like. So let me select this one. I think so this one is good. Then you select your style, how you want your website to look like. You just notice here, if I select like classic, as you can see it has changed, and you can select others here if you want them here. So let us select classic, and then let us go to generate. So as you can see, it is generating blank website. But let me again pause, and we come after it has been finished. So guys, it has finished. As you can see, congrats, your website was successfully created with AI. So let's go and preview and edit. So guys, look at that. This is the website I have created. It has every details you can even imagine. As you can see, we have our dam construction, we have an image, but remember guys, these are AI generated image. You can, when you edit, but remember the editing is not free, as you will see on when I will show you. But these images, they are AI generated. You can insert yours when you are editing, and this is your website name. As you remember, we said Flavian Hub Construction. So this is our website name. It has everything, as you can see. At Flavian Hub we specialize, and so on. You can read this one. It has created every our website here. As you can see, these are AI generated image, so you can change them. We have our client testimonial here. We have everything. As you can see now, if you want to edit, you have to go on a paid plan, but it's very much cheaper. Like you can it's like $20. You can use $20 per month, and you can create a very good website for your client. If you have you need to create some. As you can see, every button here, it is you can access it. As you can see, for services, these are the services we offer. Our projects which we have, if you have any project, like if you are construction, like this construction website I have created, or these are the project you have done. And we have some contact here. If you need your contact, obvious you need your contact on your website. As you can see here, you can create your contact here. So everything is here. So if you want to edit this one, as you can see, you have to go to your paid plan, but they offer 7 days free. So you can see, you can access Profession for 7 days for free, but their charges are very as you can see, their services are very, the paid plan is so cheap. As you can see, you can access it for $10 per month, and you will access Professions, as you can see, or Air Premium you can access for $15 per month. So this AI is very good. You can create events. There's no need for you for coding or those technical stuff. So you can just create your website and you can access it, or you can send it to your client. Now, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question or comment, don't forget to comment below.